Hey everyone, welcome back to Women's World, the place where creativity meets practicality. Today, we're diving into a fantastic little powerhouse, the KPCB Tech Sewing Machine, a perfect blend of functionality and beginner-friendly design. Right out of the box, this machine comes with 20 pieces of 8 by 8 inch 100% cotton fabric squares, each with a different pattern. Whether you're making patchwork, DIY crafts, or a school project, these vibrant little fabric bundles give you a fun and colorful head start. It's also an excellent way to practice your sewing before tackling bigger projects. We absolutely love that KPCB Tech includes constantly updated video tutorials. These aren't just basic how-tos, they're designed to spark creativity. Whether you're a complete newbie or brushing up on your skills, these videos help you explore new projects with confidence. The finger guard is a thoughtful safety feature that helps prevent accidents, especially for younger users or those just starting out. It also offers 2 stitching speeds, slow and standard, giving you control as you learn and improve. It features double thread stitching, just like a full-size machine. That means stronger seams and a more professional finish. Impressively, it can handle up to 5 layers of fabric without needing manual knotting at the end. That's pretty powerful for a compact model. The KPCB Tech Sewing Machine comes with a full toolkit including bobbins, scissors, a measuring tape, thimble, needle threader, and needles. Plus, if English isn't your first language, no worries. They offer manuals in German, French, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, and of course English. The KPCB Tech Sewing Machine is a budget-friendly, beginner-friendly option that doesn't cut corners. From the handy accessories to the generous fabric pack and creative tutorials, it's a fantastic starter set for anyone looking to sew with ease and style. Whether you're just getting into sewing or want a lightweight portable backup machine, this one ticks all the right boxes. Thanks for joining me on Women's World. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative tools and tips. Until next time, happy sewing!